How can you recover your Dreamstime account? It's too much easy to recover your Dreamstime account. Lots of freelancer photographer are using Dreamstime, and if you want to also sign up in the Dreamstime, you can check my description link. Okay, and if you are also trying to recover your Dreamstime account, then you are in the right video. After watching this video, you don't have to watch any video to recover your Dreamstime account. After watching this video, you will learn how can you recover your Dreamstime account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. Welcome back to in my computer screen. In this video I'm going to teach you how can you recover your Dreamstime account easily using your recovery email address, or how can you reset your Dreamstime account password easily. So first of all, now you can see here it is the interface of the Dreamstime. So after this, just you have to go in the sign in. Okay, so I'm just clicking in the sign in and just click in the sign in. Okay, so it will give you option to recover password. So after this, just click in the recover password, and it's asking me username or email id. You can recover your Dreamstime account using your username also, or you can recover using your email address also. So after this, I'm just putting my email account here, and after this you have to click in the I'm not a robot, and after this click in the submit to recover your Dreamstime account. So it's telling me that operation completed successfully, password reset instructions have been sent to your email address. So after this, I have to just check my email address. Now you can see here it's giving me a password reset option, right? So after this, I am just clicking here, and after this it's giving me a new window for choose a new password. So I'm just putting my password here. Okay, so after this I'm again repeating that password and just clicking in the submit. So it's checking all the details. Now you can see here my Dreamstime account has been recovered successfully. So if I went inside the Dreamstime and dreamstime.com/sell stock photos, now you can see here it's giving me the dashboard to upload photos. So you can also recover your Dreamstime account using this technique. That's it. There are lots methods available to recover your Dreamstime account, and if you want to know about that one, please give me a comment. I'll make a separate video on that topic. And if you get some quality content from this entire video, please give me a like. It will give me some motivation to make more videos on this YouTube channel, and I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.